Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this ombre glitter manicure for my mom with a line art element. Let's start with the first color, which is Dancing Queen from Blue Sky. As you can see, I had some trouble with the camera, so half of them are already started and the angle is not great, but for next week I'm going to have a tripod which will make filming much easier and the result will be a lot better. So I'm just going to mention that I've already applied the base coat. I've already applied primer, then base coat and cured for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to apply the blue color. This is a darker color, so it's very important for it to be careful when you're applying it, not to get out of the nail. Again, as you can see, my hand is on the way and I'm really sorry about that. It's just not very easy to film with no tripod, so apologize once again. Once you've applied all the three once you've applied color on all the fingers, make sure you clean the sides before you cure it, because once you cure it, then it's gonna harden onto the skin and it will make it very hard to clean. And then cure for 60 seconds and do that 3 times. So once you've done that 3 times, 3 layers, it will look like this. Now I'm going to apply the sea blue again from Blue Sky. This is this beautiful glitter. I will just apply this on the tip, not on the tip, but in the end of the nail. As you can see, I'm applying like a lot of it in the end of the nail, and I'll get this brush, which is called, this brush is made for ombre. It's like the bristles are just a little bit and then there is tiny little sticking out. This is very good for ombre. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling the color downwards. I'm pulling, how I piled a lot of glitter in the end of the nail. I'm pulling it downwards, which will make this ombre effect. I usually do 2 coats of it just to make sure you enhance the color very nicely. Make sure it looks actually as an ombre. Only 1 layer won't make good enough statement. It won't be enhanced enough. So once you do that, I will show you how to do this line art. So for the line art, once again, you need the tape, and you need to apply base before you start with the tape. As you can see, I've applied the Blue Sky base coat. Don't cure it. So you apply the base, you get the tape, and you cut a line long enough for your nail. This is the striping tape I'm using. It's used for line art, for decoration, for cutting elements if you want. It's very versatile product. One thing I'm going to say about it is I'm not very keen on this particular product because it gets off really easy. It peels off in a week. So yes, it looks pretty, but if you want something that is going to, I'm not sure, maybe I'm doing it wrong. If you've got any suggestions of how to do this without actually getting your tape to peel off, just let me know in the comment section. But what happens to me is I put 1 layer of base coat, then I stick the tape on top, and then I put 2 layers of top coat, and it still peels off in a week. So once you're done with that, you obviously cure it for 60 seconds and then you do it again. So again, I'm piling a lot of glitter in the beginning of the nail, in the base of it, and then what I do is just drag it forward. Also, it is important to also push it backwards. I know that this is not mentioned very often, but you need to actually push some backwards as well, so you can make a pile just right there, all the glittery bits just right there, and that's going to make it looks a lot more professional and the result will be a lot better. Just also make sure you get it in the edges. I made a mistake on the first layer not to get it to the very ends, but just get it to the edges and it will look really nice. Then I'm going to apply the top coat. I usually apply two layers of top just because it makes the nails last longer. My mom right now has got really short nails, and that's why it's harder to do anything, but they'll grow. She had a pair of gel, like a gum gel set, and we had to remove them all because they were there for a while, so we thought it's the best to just take them all off and just start fresh with just gel polish, and then let her natural nails grow, because they get damaged after a while. If you build them for a while, they just get damaged. So I'll cure for 60 seconds and just repeat that twice to get the too. And this is the final result. I feel like this is quite good looking. I really like it, and I would say I hope you like it too. You can try it at home and you enjoy the results. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.